Have you all downloaded Power BI desktop in your machine? Downloaded? Excellent. So any issues you have faced while installing? No issues? Either your OS may be proper. Okay. So online people, have you completed your Power BI desktop installation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You completed, okay. No one faced any issues?
Yes.
So kindly watch yesterday's video to install it. So this is a day-wise discussion. Yesterday was the first regular class. And we discussed about demo overview document, PDF document, and even the document I placed. Second one, discussion on Power BI desktop installation, hardware and software requirements. And today what I'm going to explain. First one, explaining all components of Power BI desktop. Here all in the sense major components. First, we will do this today. Second one, start with first BI operation, extracting data, BI operation, and discuss about multiple sources retrieval. This is what I want to do. Right. So where is the desktop? Click on Power BI desktop. So this is the first one. Once again, last class I installed Power BI desktop. This is the one. I'm opening now. Everyone look at this. Click on it. This is the first page. We also call it as get started page. Get started page. And you want to see what is new in Power BI. You can click on this, and that too, it will tell you this month update. Current month update, it will show you. Forums. you have some technical questions, concerns, etc., and you want to speak to technical experts or other organization people, usually we go to forums. Next, Power BI blog. Complete Power BI history starting from 2013 July onwards. Till this month, you want to see the updates, go to Power BI blog. This is only for the current month and this is only for history. Interviewer might ask you, how do we see the history of Power BI? When you open the Power BI desktop, the first page is called Get Started page. In that page, you can see the history. Click on it. See Power BI blog. See Power BI May 2022 summary. At the same time, history you are able to see April 2022, May 2022, down till July 13. July 13. July 13 to till May 2022. Next. This is a get started page and tutorials. You want to see Microsoft tutorials? Just go to this. And here are the here is a place where you find the videos. And these are not given by Microsoft associate partner videos. Microsoft associate partner videos. And Power BI desktop. And always write P capital, BI capital, D capital. This is a convention you need to follow in the documentation as well. And this is to bring the data. And this is to see recent sources, time. And these are the recent reports, last 4 reports. And you want to open other reports, go to open other reports. All the options are clear to you. And only one option on top of it, this is called account. Okay, we will have a very quick recap. What is account? What is account? My question is correct. Account, the type of service we are getting from the respective organization. And how many types of accounts we have in Power BI? Power BI 4 accounts. 1, free. Free, you can generate a report, but no managing. No managing of report. Pro, limited capability account. 1 user, 10 GB storage, he will get 10 GB storage. And pro features, he will have $10 per month. But premium features, if you want with the same storage, possible PPU account, premium per user account. Which account? Premium per user. And the next one, premium capacity account. It is of 3 types: capacity P1, capacity P2, capacity P3. P1, P2, P3. What exactly P1 has? Yes, 8 virtual cores, 25 GB RAM, terabytes of data, multi-user, $5,000 per month, close to $5,000. Next one, close to 10,000. Next one, $20,000 per month. Okay, if somebody asks you, what type of account you're using in your organization, how do you need to answer? What type of account you're using, how do you need to answer? Hey, don't say like premium or pro. How come you say? If you don't know and you're not working, at least you know to convince them. My organization is a small organization and we are having 5 or 6 pro accounts based on the organization. In case your organization is a medium level or above medium level, you can say we are having 1 pro and premium account, multiple pro accounts, and your organization is top-notch organization. In that situation, you can say multiple P1, multiple P2, and pro accounts, and no one will come to your office and verify it. It's confidential information. Whatever you say, they have to obey it, but it should be meaningful. It should be meaningful. Are you clear? There is no exact answer. There is no exact answer. Like these many pro should be used, these many premium should be used. Depending on the situations, companies purchase it and will increase it. right? So the first screen is get started page, and Microsoft is very popular with this page. When you open .NET, Microsoft BI, and even Azure multiple components, the first screen you'll find like this. Get started. So many important links for communication. So one link for forums, technical issues, one link for tutorials, one link for versions, and one link for recent reports, and direct link to get the data, etc. I'm closing it. This is a main interface. In case you want to go to the previous window after coming to the main interface, you can go File menu, Get started. File menu, Get started. In case you want to go back to the previous window, let me close it. This is a major interface and main interface. I explained in the demo very clearly, but once again, color blind friendly. Next, end-to-end operations supportive, and we can also call self-service BA. So here you will get the data, extract it, transform it, model it, secure, visuals. Now, this is the first BA operation, second BA operation, third BA operation, and fourth BA operation. And what you will get finally? BA data. Data to BA data, and this is the process. And where do we do this? One, transform. So no need to write, sir. You will get the video, and even you will get the screenshots in the WhatsApp. Important concepts, important screens you will get in the WhatsApp as well. You don't worry. First one, second one, transforming area. Third one, modeling. Fourth one, security. You can divide it. This is a report view area. Fifth one, I will write here. Fifth one, a report view, and this is called as canvas. Report canvas, a report view area. Some people say report design area. Which area? Report design. Done. Next one. Report. So what about this? File down one page. Page one, first page, this one. You can go to second page. You can go to third page. This is report pages. It's a multi-page report. Next. And this is save, undo, redo, and this is a title. Title, and usually untitled is the title, default title. And this is an indication of application Power BI desktop, PBID capital letter. And next one, user, he is a user connected, or you can say account. This is minimize. This is maximize. This is close. Multiple. And these are menu. These are menu options. And right now, home menu underline yellow color. And these are home menu options. And this is called as this grade 1 called as ribbon. Right now, home available, home ribbon. This is home ribbon. And we have 3 views here. Right now, this is highlighted yellow color, and we call it as a report view, report design view, canvas. This is called data view, and you see data. And this is relationship view. What do you call this? Relationship view. Few people also call it as a model. So total, how many views available? 3 views. Report view, data view, relationship view. Total 3 views. So one area you can see the report and report items. One area you see the data. One area you see the relationships. Next. And this is called pane. P-A-N-E, pane. And right now this is filter pane. What do you mean by pane? Pane nothing but a box with set of options. Mostly rectangle box with set of options. This is filter options. This is visualization options. Visualization pane. And the next one is dataset pane. Dataset. Fields pane or dataset pane. So what do you mean by dataset? Dataset contain queries, lists, parameters, functions, etc. Then what do you mean by query? Set of columns. And what do you mean by list? Single column. Query and list. Then what is parameter? User interaction storage. Function, reusable operation. Reusable operation. So dataset contains this. And if you come to visualization, 2 types of visuals. One is, these are Microsoft given. When you click on it, custom visual, third party visual. So how many types of visuals? Microsoft given visuals, we call it as built-in visuals. Second one, custom visuals, other organization visuals. 2 types. And coming to filter, it will filter the data. And we have 4 types of filters. How many types? 4 types. First one, only the visual filtered. Second one, report filtered. Third one, all reports filtered. Last one, drill through filter. These are the 4 types of filters: visual, report, all reports, drill through. 3 panes. And one more important one, in the down, here is a place. You will see one important thing. Here is a place, you see one more important thing. And here you see storage mode. Import storage mode indicate structure plus data inside Power BI desktop. Direct query indicate direct query or connect live. Only structure in the Power BI desktop. only structure. This is about mode. And in case a new update available, it will tell you new update available. You need to download it. Power BI latest update available. And here is the place you find it. And one more and last one, this visual you take here, the fields data set you take here, the filters you take here, and the menu options also. These options. These options you take here to construct a report. This report view. This all we will take it. All of you okay? Shall I go for practice?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Now, once again, I will give a revision for 2 minutes. What are the options available?
Okay.
And then we go. First one, look at this, guys. Everyone. Colorblind friendly component, because you're not able to see red color, green color, etc. colors. Light blue, light gray, white colors. End-to-end operation and self-service BA, because it will get the data and finally generate BA data. And this is a process it will implement. First one, it will bring the data, that is get data, transform the data, here is a place, model the data, here is a place, visualize the data, here is a place. Okay, this is the one. Now, all the areas are very close. Next one, saving, undo, redo, title, account, minimize, maximize, close, menu options, home menu ribbon options, report view, grid view, visualization view, filter pane with filter options and 4 types of filters, visualization pane with visual options, 2 types of visuals, Microsoft given and third-party visuals, and data set area where it contains query, list, parameter, function. And if I use the word query, please do not confuse. SQL query is different, Power Query is different. Power BI level query indicates set of columns, set of columns. Next, what is the list? Single column of values. Good. And a report can have multiple pages, multi-page report. And in the down, 2 things it will show you. One is mode. Mode means this desktop having only structure of the input or structure and data of the input. In case structured data, both it has, that is called import mode. In case this is having just structure, then it is called direct query mode or connect live mode. So when do we use, how we use, that is the latter part. But modes it will talk about import, structured data available. Direct query or connect live, just structure available. Now update, in case there is a change in the version, then you will find the update here. So these are the different options in the Power BI desktop first phase level. You guys clear? Next, I want to save it. File menu, click save, batches, 10 AM May batch, and I will write here Vinaytek Power BI first report or Vinaytek Power BI. It's a good practice. Business details, insights. One meaningful name, PBIX is extension, click save. PBIX is the extension, save. This is saved. Where did I save? Go to this. This is my folder. This is my desktop. How system is reading it? Like a document it is reading. What's the size of it? 12 KB is the size, normal. Now see the interesting things. I'm clicking right click and new text document. నేను ఇంతవరకు ఏం చేయలేదు, డెస్క్టాప్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను, సేవ్ చేశాను, అంతే. I'm going to this text document, test file. This is a text document. Text document. What is the size of it? No data, 0. Okay. I will open Windows Word. Windows Word. What document? This is also document. I will save it. File menu, save. No data. I want to save under first. What document? Click save. Ready. Now what is the size of it? What document? 12 KB. I will take an Excel sheet. File menu, click save. 10 a.m. First Excel, save. This is also document. What is the size of it? So when you add content to this, add content to this, add content to this, automatically size changes. Point 1. Similarly, Power BI level also, when you add content, the size will change. But the size changes in the mode called import mode. Which mode? So we use specially a mode called import mode. Normally, when you work with Word, PDF, Excel, we don't use such kind of terminology. The file size is 3 MB, file size is 4 MB, file size is so and so. But we need to say in the Power BI level, Power BI import mode size is so and so. Power BI import data mode size is so and so. That is the convention we will follow. Sir, clear? Excellent. Next one. But why, sir, the Word document and this occupying 12 KB and the test file 0? Only one. Each and every file containing this kind of menus, some options. This will store some area. That is called metadata area. Which area? These menus, menu option size, menus and menu option size is 9 KB.
9 KB.
In Excel. Power BI level, there are many menus available, many options available. These options also storing along with the document. That default size is 12 KB. Even Word document also having many menus, menu options. That size is 12 KB. This is called as metadata size. Metadata. What is metadata? Data about data. Simply structure of data. Structure of data is called metadata. Any structure, Word document structure, PDF document structure, and this structure. This is metadata. Point number 1 is clear. Next, what is the default size? Default size of Power BI, PB8 Power BI desktop, 12 KB. Okay. Then what is the maximum size? Max size? No limit, but less than 2 or 3 GB recommended, comma, for best performance, 1 GB limit applicable. How much limit applicable? 1 GB. You can, yes. Tell me what how many number of rows we can keep in Power BI, sorry, Excel sheet? See, max number of rows in Excel. Excel maximum number of rows 10,48,000. Please remember this. 10,48,000 records it will take. Excel limitation 10,40. Now 32 more features. What is size? Also look at that. Sir, is it important? 100% important. Whatever we're discussing right now. Power BI is an inspired solution of Excel. In case you are working in a project, your customer said, Babu, our data is more than 20 lakhs, but Excel is not supporting. What shall we do? He may ask you. And if you don't know there's limitations, size limitations, everything, then you say, no, sir, Excel will support 20 lakh records also. You argue with him blindly. So first know all the limitations, features, and then start your journey. Till then, don't start. It's a wrong move. Now, I will show you the size of it. Look at the size actually. This whatever I'm showing newer versions, not older. These are the rows or how many columns supporting Excel? 16,084 columns. Okay. Open workbooks, available memory and system resources. But anyway, this is limited. Automatically size also limited. Excel. ఎక్కడో ఇచ్చాడు. Column with row height, page break, characters, maximum number of cells, sheets in workbook, color workbook, name, unique cell, file style, line, unique font style, names in a workbook, hyperlinks in a workbook, scenario, linked sheets, change cells, zoom range, till 400% it can zoom, undo level, processor 64 bit, name length, Excel file name maximum length 218 characters. See this length. Allowed negative number, positive number, formula, iterations, ranges, undefined, large amount of time you can enter like this. Worksheets referred by a chart, data series, data points, pivot table and pivot chart. ఎక్కడ ఉందండి అది? The first one ఇచ్చాడు. So here he has given actually limited by available memory and system resources. Already mentioned, no problem. So purely based on your system memory, they mentioned Power BI desktop max size. There is a 1 GB limit per data set that is imported into Power BI, unless workspace is a premium. What is the limitation we have? 1 GB. Are you okay? Good. Right, sir. Next one. So we will start the next topic. BA first operation. What's the operation? Data extraction. This is the operation we are going to start now. First one, extract data from web. From website, I want to bring the data. First concept, this is the one. Second, extract data from PDF, unstructured. Extract data from Word. Next, extract data from PDF structured. And if we have time, we'll discuss about extract data from JSON. I'll do one thing, not JSON, Excel, sheet, and table. We will see one by one. So daily this document, these are running notes only, not detailed document. You already got detailed document like that. For each and every topic, you will get detailed document. This running notes I will write like this and I will place in the Google Drive. You can read it in case you're interested. This also I'm placing. First topic, extracting data from website. I have my website. Don't spend more time on website data retrievals and all. Just 5 minutes. This is your URL. Click new batches. My institute URL, new batches. Fine. We have two tables. First table, second table. First table, second table. I want to read data from this. And there is an extension called PHP, PHP language extension. So this is my institute website. I will highlight it, Control C, go to this. So what is the place to bring the data? Get data. There's a first place. Simply go to this. What to select? Get data web. Yes, in case you want to bring it from Excel, Excel. From a SQL database, database. From a text file, file. In case the required one not available here, go to more. Go to, I go to web. I go to URL. Basic is sufficient and click URL, click OK. Can you do this? Click get data web, mention the URL, any URL, click OK. See the way system reading the information. See first one table, second one HTML code. First one table, second one HTML code. I will select the table. This is a table data. Shall I click load? Ready. So we got it. So how do we see? Go to data view. To see the data, data view. Click on this data view. Now you are able to see the data. You just focus how to bring. Don't worry about the data. From our web page, These images we did not get, but this information we got it. So first topic, extract from data website completed. Any URL, get data web, done. Second one. Pardon?
Website thing can just show the extraction before taking the file in the Power BI, you did the search out the URL.
I just copied the URL, nothing more. Any URL you take, ICICIbank.com, HDFCbank.com, any URL you take.
.php you have to mention there or
You're not listening actually. Any website URL, any website, no need to be PHP. ICICI Bank. You want to bring the data from this? Just click on it. Copy, get data, web, that's it. Any link, any URL.
Sir, give only front-end data also back-end data. Only give the front-end data but also back-end data.
No, whatever the web data you are able to see, that only it will give you. You are giving URL, right? So web level only it will give you whatever. This data is backend data only, right? This data is
Some data also conventional data also stored in back-end.
that's what I'm like. You are connecting to URL, so URL data only it will show you. Whatever the URL shows, the same thing. If it is confidential, confidential data, and normal data. We are not talking about connecting to ICICI Bank backend database and getting the data. That is not the concept here. In the situation, ICICI Bank database access we require and bring it. That is database connection. Which connection? Yeah, get data and we will connect to databases. This is a web front-end interface connection. So don't think much. It is very simple. Take any URL, get data. Next. I place the videos in this folder. You all aware of it. Right. So this is your classroom folder. And here you have videos. Don't worry about 1, 2, 3 folder. Couple of videos I'm making into multiple splits for your ease of understanding. Desktop installation separate, account overview separate. Like this, I'm splitting. Even today video, I may split into 2 or 3 parts. Depends. Next. And here is a place you have documents. For this week, I will place the documents. The people who newly joined, kindly focus on this. Folder, subfolder, documents. I will take one of the document, guys. Power BI documents, materials. Any PDF you take, which you have. Any PDF which you have, you take it. Demo overview PDF. Right click, open with. How many pages it has? 18 pages. And structured or unstructured? A purely unstructured. Structured means table format. See, this is a table. This is a table. Structured. So in this page number 14, one structured table available. Yeah, this is a table. Structured. So, but it is a mix of structured and unstructured. Now we will read it. Shall we read it? Very simple. Go to this, get data. Do we have PDF option here? No. So click more. Go to file. What is this? PDF file. Click connect. Where is that? Power BI batches 10A. Take anyone. Take the first document. Browse it. See what it is showing. These are all pages. These are all tables inside pages. These are all pages. These are all tables inside pages. Your wish, what you want to read. Complete page data you want, or table data you want. If you notice, even web level, two types of data. One, table, second, page. So Power BI having wonderful mechanism. While retrieving the data, it will identify, yes, this is a table kind of data and this is a normal data. And based on your selection, it will fetch the data. Based on the selection, it will fetch the data. Are you okay? So table 3 under page 3 and page 5, click load. That's it. How do you see the data? This is data view. Page 5 data. Table 3. This is table 3 data. Okay. 2 retrievals completed. One more. I will open the Windows Word document. Sir, I'm opening Word document. I want to take a table in Word. How do we take table in Word? Insert table, insert table, number of columns 3, number of rows 5 or 4, 3 and 4. Insert table. This is a table. Word document page 1, Word document page 1, table 1. Table 1. I will take employee ID first column, employee name second column, employee location. Mention here 1, 2, 3. X, Y, Z. Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai. File menu, save. Save. I want to read this data. How do we read? Get data. There is no word available. So we need to go to more. Go to file. Do we have word here? MS Word. ఒక్కసారి చూడండి MS Word ఉందా? Then how do we read word data? This was a problem with one of our students long back. He was working with Philippine customer. The customer maintaining data in MS Word, that to table format. Their business data in table format in MS Word. Very weak in technology. That company asked the BA resource, I want to have a report on all these documents. Around 500 Word documents they have given, and ask him to generate a report. He called me that time, sir, what shall I do? So no need to panic. You need to go to this, convert to PDF. File menu, save as, Word convert into PDF. In case your MS Office is old one, and not having this feature, don't worry. Online portals available, online converters, you can convert online. Convert Word to PDF. So I'm saving as in this. Don't save with Word document, save with PDF. Portable document format. Ready. First PDF document. Click save. See, now it is converted to PDF. I can read it. I can read from PDF now. How do we read? Click PDF, click connect. Where is that? In my folder, 10 a.m. May, first PDF, click open. See the beautiness. You want to read like a page or you want to read like a table? See, two are different. Icons also different. This is a normal page and this is table. How you want to read? Your wish. I want to read like table. Click load. So this is a table. Got it?
See it like a page. See it like a page.
You will see like that only because we have only one table, right? No difference in this view. In case the page level you have 2 or 3 tables, then you can select. I want to go for table 2. I want to go for table 3 like this. If you go for page, then it will read complete part as a normal page. And click on it. Table 1, page 1. Sir, can I change the names? I'm confusing. You want to change, there are 3 dots available. The 3 dots in Microsoft, very powerful. This is an indication of more options. Note, 3 dots indicate more options. Are you okay? So click on this more options, rename. Now it's a word data, right? Word data or query underscore word. Query underscore word. As it is having set of columns, we call it as a query. We call it as a query. This is the first one. Next, how to read data from Word. I explained. How do we read? How do we read?
Converting Word
Directly
document into PDF.
not possible. We need to convert into string. Next topic. Next topic is getting data from Excel and table. We will discuss with that and then stop. I will open Excel sheet. Our previous Excel, open it, first Excel. Please look at this. Sheet 1. You can take one more sheet, normal. Sheet 1, I will take like a department ID, department name, 10, 20, write whatever the data you want to write here, RT, something. I will rename this, right click, rename department. Normal. Sheet 2, location ID, location name, Hyderabad, HYD, Hyderabad, Mumbai, something like this. Click save and right click, rename location. This is called as a sheet. This is called as a sheet. And I want to convert this into table. Excel level, there is a concept called table. Excel table. Which table? Excel table. Highlight complete data. Control T. Control T. Asking me, where is the data for your table? Already highlighted. My table has headers. Yes. Okay. Is it converted to table? This is normal worksheet data. This is table data. Save it. This is Excel sheet data. It's a table data. Fine, sir. I will close it. I want to read now. Go to this. How to read? Get data. Excel workbook. First Excel, click open. This is sheet, this is sheet. What about this? Click table. Table data. And this is sheet. This is sheet. But I will read like it. I will read the table and sheet. There is a difference. While reading, you will find it. Right now, 2, 3 records. But table reading in a different way, sheet reading is a different way. If there's no difference, they will not give you 2 things. Even you notice automatic drop down and automatic color changing in the headers. So when you consider like a table, system will take proper data types as well. What it takes? Proper data types. That part we'll discuss during our Power Query concept level. But how to convert normal data into table, we'll learn it. When you convert normal data into table, system will take proper data type and system will recognize each column properly, appropriately. So with that, we do many operations. That is a major reason why Microsoft having 2 types of data in Excel. Normal sheet, that is unstructured, and structured data, proper data you want in the columns, convert into table, convert into table. So table, location, click load. So where is that? Go to data view, table 1. This is not this one. This is the table. Data ready? I want to rename. How do we rename? Click on this, rename table data. Department data, right click, rename department data. Okay, guys, that's good. What next? I have a file called XML file. Power BI, lab backup, and this is a folder I will place. This is a folder I will place. Drive level, look into this. It is having set of files, and one is JSON file, one is XML file, and these 2 are semi-structured files. How to read XML data, how to read JSON data. JSON stands for Java Structured Object Notation. 1 minute. Extract data from XML first. What is XML? Extensible Markup Language. Why do we require? Web pages, development, and communication. Semi-structured. Holds semi-structured data. XML data I want to read now. How to read? So web pages you want to develop or communicate, this language is suitable and it contains semi-structured data. So this is a file. Party XML. I want to read it. So simple. Go to this. Get data. Do you have XML here? Click more. file, XML, click, connect. Correct. Where is that? In my lab backup, I have Power BI, lab backup, general files, party XML. Just mention the XML file. You don't worry about the content and all. Click open. So if your customer giving XML file and asks you to read the data, just browse it. That's it. If it is having table kind of data, you can read it. So this is having table kind of data. Click load. You don't say, I don't know what is XML, what type of data it has. In case your customer is giving XML file means, he might be aware of it, what type of content it has. And definitely he will give you table kind of content only. What type of content? Table content. You confidently use it. Get data, more options, XML, browse to file. That's it. You got the data. This is the one XML data, you got it. We don't have time to discuss about XML in detail, JSON in detail. But in case XML data, you got how to read. But JSON is important. What is JSON? What it contains? And how many places we use in Power BI? That all I will explain you tomorrow. Today, two topics I covered. One, Power BI desktop interface explanation. Second one, extracting data from web, Excel file, Word, PDF file, XML file. And some more sources we will see tomorrow. And you will get the video, open the video, practice it. Will you do that? So first week practice is compulsory. If you delay in the practice and you say like, I don't have laptop and all, or my laptop is supposed to be formatted, not it happened like this reasons if you say, then it will be behind the subject. Basic practice you should not miss. If you miss, you'll be behind the subject. You cannot follow properly. Power BI, simple subject, no coding, maximum graphical operations. If you want to enjoy, there should be a practice. At least first 1 week. Later you can ignore also. If you're able to understand, that is sufficient. Whenever you get time, you can follow it. This is for the people who are working employees. And coming to normal people, every day they have to do the practice.
Okay.
Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a wonderful day.
We are going to start the practice.